A slime a day keeps my depression at bay, part 6.
Our slime of the day today is by Snoop Slimes and called Fountain of Youth. I am so excited for this one. It is actually a DIY. So it comes with this little thing that's going to hold some water, this which is going to be water, and then these really cute charms and sprinkles and little gems. They are absolutely stunning. I'm insanely excited to build this, so let's do this thing. First off, this smells like icing. It smells exactly like buttercream icing, and it is so weird. This is a very strange texture, and I think I might need to add some activator spray to it, but we'll see how it feels after we mix it all together. Right now it's a lovely green color, and it's got these little crunchy crystals in it. It's kind of like that fake snow texture. Smell on this is absolutely insanely sweet and delicious. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at it. Yeah, that's good stuff. Don't worry, it won't look this bad once I get the top on. See, that looks cute. Maybe not. Maybe I was worse at it than I thought I was. There, that looks better. The Fountain of Youth is beautiful and overflowing. Let's put the little charms in. And then this one here. Okay, you guys, so here we have it. It is all put together. It is so cool looking. Honestly, I am so impressed by this. It is gorgeous. The water definitely overflowed though. Let's go ahead and crush this bish. Oh wow, you guys, this feels so cool. Oh, the smell of icing is just filling my entire office right now. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.